Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change ear tips on Airpods Pro. So if you have an Airpods Pro and now you want to change the ear tips, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you need to know which of the ear tips that belongs to the left ear and then that belongs to the right ear. If you go to your Airpods new, then your Airpods is going to come with so many tips. So here I have a bunch of tips that comes with my Airpods like this, and each of the tips are designated to either left ear or right ear. So the first thing I just want to do is go ahead and grab your new tips. Now once you grab the new tips, here are the new tips I want to use to change my Airpods Pro ear tip. Then grab your Airpods Pro. First, open the ear tip just like this. This could be very hard to remove, I think you know that. Then pull it out like this. Then grab the new ear tip you want to use on the Airpod. Just press it like this until you hear a clip. Then once you hear a clip, the Airpod tip is going to be keyed like this, and then you're good. And if you find it hard to insert the new ear tip to the Airpod Pro, just find out whether this is the actual ear tip for the ear. So you may want to check out the second ear tip and then insert it. So just go ahead, press it, and then you're good. You see, that is the tip for this. Then take the next ear pod and then insert the tip. So just do this gently, and then that is it. You see that? Now I can now go ahead, keep the two tips you removed because you may want to use this later. Just keep it, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to change ear tips on Airpods Pro. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.